Ang galing naman ni Ate Mayan. Grabe naman.
Nakasubulatong.
Ito na isa na talaga. Go!
Oh, may back to back.
Parang napagod ako sa paghabol ko kay Russell.
Grabe
Naman Ate Mayan. Grabe naman yun. Thank you so
Pinipisahan
much,
ba naman
Kuya
kasi
Bel.
ng bumibirit eh.
Welcome.
Atay tayo dyan.
Grabe naman ang birit. Birit mo din yung Beshi DK.
Grabe naman
Itodo
yun.
mo yan. Huwag ka
Ano
magpapalo
eh,
kay
nahiya ako kay
tsaka
Russell.
Ate Mayan. Itodo mo yan.
Kasi nahiya
Ay, Gabino,
kami
parang
kay
hindi ko
Russell.
kaya eh.
Kaya mo yan, ikaw ba?
Nahiya ako kay Russell.
Yung malalaglag yung bahay
Kay
ang
Russell
puno
kanina,
na.
idol. Inudo ni Russell kanina, kaya
Boss
sabi ko
Tristan.
sila naman kami.
Hanggang dito lang
Hindi
ako.
naman.
Ang pogi-pogi pa, tapos ang gwapang grabe.
Hindi naman po.
Alright,
Mas
sige
pogi
na.
pa rin po si Kuya Bino.
Hindi talaga. Filter lang yan. Pag nawala yung filter, kung wala ka nasusohan.
Sige nga.
Wag! Wala yung mga manonood. Makikita yung totoong sa duka.
Yan.
Boss Tristan.
Sige,
Aga
sige.
naman magising ni Boss Tristan.
Mga,
Ano yung inaano mo, Russell? Tolak Ali ba yun? Tolak Ali? O ano?
Ano? Lola Remedios.
Ayun.
pangangin nga tayo.
This is my baby.
Hello.
Ang hangin.
Ito lang.
Yes.
Coffee time.
This is my
Masarap
baby,
yan.
Ano
guys.
yan? Ano
Lola
yan?
Remedios.
Ako tolak angin ako.
Ay, okay. Oh, maganda yan.
Bang
Lola
hangin.
Remedios.
Bang hangin.
Yung akin tolak angin yung ininom ko.
Ang humamon. Miss
Ang
DK.
humamon.
Umpisahan ko na.
Ang
Ang humamon pa sa ikatong kalbo.
Miss People.
Biglang nananapak. Miss DK.
Okay na sana yung DK. Yung may katigbak pa yun. Wala na.
Kabino, tumigil Kabino.
Asa?
Game na.
Upstairs.
I saw an old friend of ours today.
Ah.
She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds round here. While I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. You're such as a lion with your cold, cold heart. Make believing came easy, but it tore me apart. Hello, Zen. Time heals all wounds, they say, and I should know. 'Cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. Should be loose. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. I can forgive you, and soon I'll forget you've left me with nothing to show for love misery. Taas na. I'm almost over you. Parang wala akong echo. I'm almost shook this loose. Boy ka pa? So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. When you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. Papasubo tayo kay Russell, ah. Yan, thank you so
Grabe naman
much.
talaga yung katiktok niya.
Grabe naman yun, Ate DK.
Uy, tumigil ka dyan, Bino, katigba ka na, katigba ka. Ayun ka pa.
Paano sa sundan yun ni Kuya
Ay,
Bino?
makas yan.
Thank you kay Bino.
Yan.
Welcome.
Love, love.
Let's get
Magano
up.
tayo, magano lang tayo.
To Bino.
Ano lang tayo?
Champion
Pan-ibig.
journey mo, dito nagsimula.
Ang humamon.
Basta lang wala kong echo. Ito na po kasi.
Naglagay ka ng ano, pero masarap na kasi.
Energize
No.
tomorrow's champions.
Ayun o.
Uy, tol, buhay pa ako, tol. Ha?
Ay,
Ano siya, guys?
hindi.
Let's give it
Bibirit
up
na po si Kuya
for
Bino.
Marvin Macasias in the house.
Birit ka tapa. Sige na nga. Ikaw ay ako na nga. Ikaw
Ang
ay ako.
humamon.
Logi kami, no?
Oo, ang
Umpisa na
humamon.
Russell to.
Family.
Ang humamon.
Sige na nga. Kaya naman siya.
Ano ka, ika-apat na kalaho.
Ang humamon.
Yeah.
Ayun o.
Hala,
Ang humamon.
ganda ng
Hindi pa
kanta niya,
lumalamon.
oh.
Ikaw.
Sa bawat pinti ng puso ay dama ko na bahagi ka ng buhay ko. Kahit na itago pa, kahit na ilihim pa, kita ko sa iyong mata, tayong dalawa'y isa. Puso ang siyang nagsasabi na ika'y kahati ng aking kaluluwa. Kahit pa hindi sabihin, ay dama ng puso na ikaw ay ako. Yala, wagas na. Ako pala yung tinatanong, no? Pag-ibig ay di magbabago. Si buhay mo, Piolo. Sa pag-iisa, nadarama na naroon ka. Sa isip ko'y kasama ka. Di madaya ang puso sa lukso ng aking dugo. Tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi maglalaho. Puso ang siyang nagsasabi na ika'y kahati ng aking kaluluwa. Kahit pa hindi sabihin, ay tama ng puso na ikaw ay ako. Thank you, Pilo. Wagas ng pag-ibig ay di magkatago. Puso ang siyang nagsasabi na ika'y kahati ng aking kaluluwa. Kahit pa hindi sabihin ay tama ng puso na ikaw ay ako. Wagas ng pag-ibig ay di magbabago. Wagas ng pag-ibig ay di magbabago. Thank you, Boss Tristan. Grabe naman ang kanta. Uy,
Ano naman yun, Kuya Vince?
Ayaw mo yun.
unang kanta talaga. Diyos ko.
Ganda ng version
Paano
mo.
mo sundan yun?
Ganda ng version ni Bino. Yeah, let's give it up for
Paano
Russell.
sundan yun, guys?
Ang unang
Naiyan
kalaho.
ako.
Thank you, Boss
Kumanta.
Tristan. Dating iba.
Sinimulan na yan. Hello, Tristan. Sabi,
Guys,
Tristan.
baka may mga song request kayo dyan, guys. Comment lang po kayo.
Pwede ba kayo mag-request?
Alright.
Any song? Under the Sun. Yan, let's
Keep
give
it
it up
up.
for
Dating
Russell.
iba. Rain in Manila daw. It's been raining in Manila.
Rain in Manila? Rain in Manila? Hindi ko siya alam. Ito na lang muna.
It's raining in iba nilalamig. Iba yan.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are, back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could just get to it. I know I could break through it. Thank you so much po.
O, ilaban na naman ngayon yung may hagod, ha?
Ay, may ganun ba?
Parang
Ang
nahihirapan
hirap
tuloy ako
ka
na.
yung mga hagod, no?
I gave my all,
Mahirap yung kulot-kulot eh.
all may have been too much. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we got going, and it seems so tough. We all we got, we haven't got a prayer. Whoa, just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to find it back and right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it. Just one. I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we get ourselves in hand? take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to fly?
Patay kayo
To
na.
make
Ano?
the night
Isa pa kayo.
last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it. Just so we can get to it. Just
Wow, grabe yun.
O, ano, lalaban pa kong dalawa. Lalaban pa kong
Wala,
dalawa.
cancel ko na yung kanta ko. Cancel ko na. Cancel ko na yung kanta ko.
Okay na.
Ginagalingan ni, ginagalingan ni Russell. Ay, atuloy ako
Galingan
kumanta.
talaga.
Hindi po.
Ano ba yan?
Kilala ko si Ate May,
Ano,
hindi
susundan
magpapatalo yan. Itotodo niya din
Oh,
yan.
hindi pa patalo yan sa Ate May. Game, let's give it up for Ate May.
Challenging yan, challenging.
Kaklase ko yan nung high school. Totoo.
Oh.
Kaya nagkagalit kami yung gitera. Kaklase ng todo. Charot lang.
Actually,
Oo, lumalaban yan. Palaban yan sa
Charot
atin.
lang. Bago natin may yan.
Oo.
Oo. Di, kahit di naman
Oh,
natin,
thank you.
pwede naman natin yan kakantahin.
Ako, ang ganda ng hagod dun. Russell. Ang
Galing niya
kulot-kulot
maghagod.
Kasi
ng
yung-
Yung sa akin kasi hindi hagod, malunggay. Malunggay lang kaya ko,
Oo.
hindi hagod.
Hindi,
Malunggay.
sa'yo panghilod. Panghilod sa'yo, bino, panghilod.
Ay, maganda yung kanta niya.
Wala ka sa
Ay,
doon. Pwede sa doon.
Mute na tayo, mute mo.
Di ba't ang pangako mo sa'kin ako lang ang iibigin? Ngunit bakit ngayon'y hindi mo man lang mapansin? Di na sa'king nalaan sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal sa puso ko. Ikaw, mahal sa puso ko.
Thank
you, Pres.
Inspired na mapasakit. Grabe na yan.
Galing natin may ano.
Grabe naman siya.
Napakagaling naman natin na yan. Paano yun?
Malaban. Hirapan ako dun.
Kala nyo hindi kaya yan. O si
Go,
Katigbak, hindi papatalo yan.
Ay, makaskas ah.
Dapat lang hindi siya papatalo.
Banda ito, si DK. Tingnan mo.
Oo
Ikaw
nga,
todo
hindi
yan.
yan
Chris,
oo,
thank you, Bebe.
todo na yan. Oo.
Hindi ako marunong bumirit eh. Baba lang mo.
Spirit!
Malba!
Isang I surrender nga dyan.
Ganon, hindi.
Oo, I surrender. Kaya yan yung I surrender eh.
Kaya ni...
The song is brought to you by
Gin Bilog.
Yes, Chris, anong song yan?
I'm sliding deep. Suppressed by my dreams. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me
Bluetooth
alone.
disconnected.
These ones won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cry and I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have all of me. This song is brought to you by Bolak Angin. You used to captivate me by your resonating light. Now I'm bound by the life you left behind. Your face, it haunts my own pleasant dreams. Your voice has chased away all the sanity in me. These ones won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have. And all of me, I tried so hard to Yan, ayoko na.
Grabe naman mga kanta talaga, no? Mga kanta talaga, no?
Papatak na
Ginalingan
yung
na,
luha ko.
ginalingan na eh. Ginalingan na.
Si Hagod, tinodo nyo na yung Hagod, Oh.
Sabi daw Miss DK. Oo nga, listen eh. Yung kasi yung kanta niyan,
Check.
yung kanta niya kasi may kwento kasi yan.
Para sa inyo lahat.
Yan. Wow. Let's give it up for Marvin Macaasias.
Ay, no. Hindi. Oh, thank you.
Alam mo, katigba ka pa.
Ang buhay ko ay sa'yo lamang. Ang hindi magbabago ang isip ko. Tunay ang pagtingin, sana'y ganon ka rin giliw. At kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal. At kung sakali mang tuluyan ng mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko, at kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitis. Maghirap man o maginagpis, pagkasakaling mahal mo pa ako. Di mo ba maunawaan at ang pag-ibig na hinalay ko sa'yo'y tapat? Pagkat ako ngayon nangangamba sa'yo, giliw. At kung sakali mang ikaw at mayroon ng ibang minamahal, at kung sakali magtuluyan ng mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko, at kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitis. Maghirap man o maginagpis, pagkasakaling mahal mo pa ako. At kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal, at kung sakali matuluyan ng mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko, at kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitis. Maghirap man o maginagpis, pagkasakaling mahal mo pa ako.
Ay, grabe naman yung ginalingan naman yan.
Mahal mo pa ako. Aray?
Grabe naman iyon.
Grabe yan.
Sana all mahal, no?
Totoo. Paano yung tao
Sana
mahal mo,
all
hindi ka
mahal.
wala mahal? Ayun na si Chris, so yun daw request ni Chris.
Hello, Claybon.
Nandiyan pa ba si Chris?
Oh, yan, dito. Yun daw
Yes.
request ni Chris.
Hello, Claybon. Anong request niya,
Dahil
ni Chris?
mahal ba yon?
Dahil mahal kita.
Kay
Pagtugtog daw.
Rosel na ba?
Yan,
Dahil
yan.
mahal na mahal kita.
Dahil mahal na mahal kita. Iba.
Chris,
Try lang
kanta ba
natin
yan o
to,
yung
ha?
nararamdaman mo kay Russell?
Uy! Uy! Sana
Sana
maulit.
maulit muli by Regine.
Hello, Claybon.
Aray, aray.
Wow.
Meron pala yun, meron palang ganon.
Oo. Dahil mahal
Uy,
na
ang hirap
mahal
naman yan.
kita. Nararamdaman ko, nasa puso ko.
Parang matanda yun.
Ay, sana all. May gusto, may gusto pala ang Christian.
Taas naman ito.
Mahal na mahal kita. Yun pala
Sana
yun.
maulit
Tinatago
muli.
pala. Oo, siya pala yung secret
Again, sige,
crush
sige.
niya.
Ah, siya pala
Parang
yung
siya yung
sinasabi niya
secret
sa akin
crush.
na crush niya, ano,
Ay.
ni Chris, no? Oo, no?
Oo.
Ay!
Oo.
Oh, totoo.
Uy, napakataas
Kasi
naman
alam
nun.
na
Sige,
ni,
sige
ano,
na
ni
nga.
Russ. Oo, ni Russ, na crush yan.
Wow. Yun pala
Grabe
yun.
naman yan.
Game, game, game.
Sana all. Hanggang
Yan,
crush
game na,
lang.
game na.
Malay mo, pagbigyan ka ni Russell. Charot.
Ano na pagbigyan kita, Chris? Diba? Madali
may
naman ang
umasa ng
kausap,
ahon.
Chris.
Stay
eh.
tayo dyan.
At nagbigte.
Yan.
Oo, sa doorknob.
Yan. Let's
Okay,
give it up
sige.
for Russell. Yan.
Sana maulit muli daw, sabi ni Chris.
Sana maulit
By
muli.
Regine
Sana
Velasquez.
maulit muli.
Grabe.
Wow.
Hindi
Oh,
pa
grabe
ulit.
yan.
Maulit
Sana
yan.
maulit-muli ka ka. Honey.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi pa nga eh.
Taas naman ito. Chris, wag niyo akong tatawanan
Oh,
pag
kaya yan.
umiyak ako.
Kaya yan.
Si Russell pa ba?
Sana maulit muli ang mga oras natin nakaraan. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig ko? Sana maulit muli. Love you. Sana ibigyan ng pansin ang himig ko. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon. Tanging wala nang ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, tas di na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, hindi na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko, sana. Pantas, kinakabahan ako dito.
Hindi niya ako minamahal.
Kaya yan. Kaya.
Matulog na
Oy,
lang.
Kyo.
Ang sakit, sabi ni Keith.
Sisiw lang
Diyan
para
ka
sa
na.
kanya yan eh.
Ibalik ang kahapon, sandaling di mapapatayan. Huwag sana nating itapon pamamahal na tapat. At kung ako'y nagkamali minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan o giliw? Tingin mo ang nais ko, ang nais ko. Kung kaya ko iwanan ka, hindi na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, hindi na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko, sana. Ito ang tanging nais ko. Ang ating kahapon, sana maulit muli. Di na sana sana lang dapat pa mahal pa rin kita. Oh, hiling, oh, hiling. Uy! Ang taas naman.
Grabe.
Yan,
Grabe
Grace.
naman talaga yung
Grabe.
naman talaga yung Chris mag-request, no?
Grabe
Chris,
naman,
magbagsak
Chris,
ka
yan.
na. Sige na, go.
Pinahirapan mo si Russell.
Next natin yan, sige.
Asan na yung bagsakan
Grabe.
dyan? Asan na, Chris?
Oo nga,
Oh,
Chris,
nasa na daw,
Mahirap
Chris.
yun.
Ito,
Mahirap
request,
yung
request
kantang
lang.
yun.
Pinakamababa dun, mga 1,000.
Ayan, ganyan, Chris. Ayan, very good. 1,000 yan,
Yan,
no?
ganyan.
Pangmalakasan yan ng Bigo Live
Paano ba yan?
Philippines.
Grabe.
Si Russell, oh.
Paano ba yan? Susundan ni Ate Mayan ng ano?
Oh, ito todo ni Ate Russell. Sino pinakamasakit
Parang-
naman? Ate Russell, Ate Russell.
Yun.
Parang hindi ko masusundan yan.
Ate Russell.
Ang hirap sundan nung kanta na yun.
Sana all maganda boss. Ito.
Sundan mo na lang na ano, Totoy Bibo.
Totoy Bibo. Yan, para ano,
Hirap
totoo.
sundan nung kanta yan.
Paki-cancel yung Totoy Bibo. Ate.
Hayop mo.
Oh, ang galing. Hindi ko sumayaw.
Totoo.
Grabe naman yun. Pasayawan na lang tayo
Eh,
niyan.
sino yung batang dumaan sa likod mo? May batang dumaan.
Uy, wala akong likod.
Ay, wala ka dito.
Pader ko, pader.
Mayroon ka ba? Mayroon ka ba?
Baka sa likod mo. May mumo doon sa likod mo. Diba?
Nalala ko yan. Ay, nalala ko nga ni. Shoota ka?
Ano siya itong mga dino niya? Wala kayo may dino ni Russell.
Oh,
Kami may ano kami
pagmalakasan
dito, wala
kasi si,
kaming
si
dino.
Russell kasi nag-perform sa Bigo Live Philippines sa Music Fest, no?
Uy, hindi.
Sa BGC yan, di ba, ano, Russell? Na? BGC.
BGC po.
Ganda
Oo,
doon. At
galing
tayo
naman.
kasi kabanatuan
Tingnan mo,
nila. Kahit gusto ko pumunta.
Tingnan mo,
Next natin yan, Q.
Oh,
Go, go, go.
proud tayo kasi
Magkakaroon ka
nakaka-jamming natin si Russell.
Malay mo,
Nakaka-jamming
sa
natin
susunod,
si
ikaw
Russell.
nakasama sa Music Fest, no, Russell, no? Malay mo.
Nod tayo. Panoorin
Lalong
natin
nasa
si
Nod
Maynila
tayo.
ka lang din
Ate B.
naman. Sa Ate Mena kasi
Pagdating ng
nakaka-uwi
panahon.
kayo napakalayo
Wala na ako sa
namin,
Bigo.
mga probinsya.
Oo, kasi napakalayo namin. Nandito ako sa Mindanao.
Uy, ang galing niya.
Tapos,
Galing nila.
oo, dito ako sa Mindanao. Kaya hindi pwede ako makapunta.
True.
Pero pag makapunta, di ba?
May
Hindi
airplane
ako
naman
marunong
eh.
sa feelings. Ay! Marunong ka dyan, Chris. Ano ka ba? Malay mo, may pag-asa ka kay Russ.
Oo nga.
Sabi
Ano ka
nga,
lang,
habang
amin ka lang.
nabubuhay, may pag-asa. Go lang ng go.
Yes.
Iparamdam mo
Yes.
lang kay Russell.
Yes.
Ganun.
Oo nga.
Huwag kang
Yes.
ayaw.
Yeah.
Sabi nga,
Tama
pag
yun.
mahal mo, ipaglaban mo.
Ang umaayaw.
Kunyari, pag may
Tama.
PK,
Nagwawagi.
paglaban mo, dapat papanalong parating
Ganon.
panalo si Russell.
Oo.
Ayun.
Tamang
Babagsakan
tama.
mo ng dragon.
Kaya
At sa-
nga po sa ano,
At
sa
kailan
Sabado
ang-
po may
ang
PK po
ayun,
ako.
Sa Sabado may PK si Russell. Ano
May
oras
PK
yung
daw
Russell
si ano,
Bunso?
Russell, Sabado.
9 p.m. po, 9
Oh, 9
p.m.
p.m. Alam mo na,
Diba?
Chris.
Ah, Chris, ha?
Manager. Manager.
Saturday pa ako, Chris. Saturday pa.
Chris, ay, lagay mo na kagad
Di ba
yan sa, ano,
malapit
sa
na?
calendar mo, ha? 9 p.m.
Oo.
Saturday, 21. Oh, alam ko yan. Kasi Sunday
Mark
si
your
Bessie
calendar,
merong
please.
Live
9
house.
p.m. guys, ha?
live house. Sabi ni ate, sabi ni
Mark
ate,
your
calendar.
hindi na ako
Sunday.
nakakanta, kaingay nung tatlo, habi.
Ay, so nga pala.
Ah, sorry.
Ano na sige na yun? Hindi. Nag-ready na siya.
Oo,
Markahan na yan, alas 9 ng
Let's
gabi.
give it up for Ate Mean.
Ayan, ladies and
Sabi
gentlemen,
ko
give
nga
it up for
kay Chris.
Ate
Alright, ang
May, ang
humamon.
masikip na makipot.
Paano yung masikip? Makikita.
Masikip na
Bakit ko makipot pa?
Hindi. Ganun kakipot.
Ay, ganun pala yan.
Idol.
Sabi ng tuta,
May tuta. O, game na, game na, game na. Game na.
5 minutes na agad yung natapos. Sayang.
Ay,
Let's give it
Chris!
up for
Dito
Ate
si Chris.
Mean. Ate
Welcome
Mean,
back,
dalian mo Ate Mean.
Chris.
Ate na.
Sige, sige. Wala pala. Sorry. Alright. Galing.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ate May.
Popogi ng mga PK natin Ate Mean.
Huwag ka mapatalo po dito din. Beshi,
Alright, ang panglaban ng Mindanao. Cause you hurt, I guess you
could not be happening to me. Oh, dear, if you were everything that I never see, you welcome me up from this long and endless need. I was so wrong. I'd open my eyes and you were there. No, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things. Let them just stay where I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know that I'll get over this for sure. Not the type who dreams there could be more. Oh, dear, if you were everything I'd never see, you welcome me up from this long and endless belief. I was so wrong. I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? All the magic in your last to look at all the colors. Now that stands here at last. I suppose that you'd be leaving, but I want you to know a part of you stays with me even after you go. I can have to blame someone else's heat. This could not be happening to me. But if you were there, if you were everything I'd never see, you welcome me up from this long and endless leave. I was so wrong. I opened my eyes and thought, oh, I opened my eyes, you were there.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Joyce. Hi, Ta. Grabe
Wow,
naman.
pinagalingan ni Ate Amy.
Tinodo ni
Ginagalingan
Ate
naman
May.
nila.
Kala
Oo.
nyo pasimple lang, humble with heart lang yan.
Thank you so much, Ta. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Ate May.
Sabi ni Lisel, dapat itayo mo yung Mindanao, Ate
Thank you.
Mayan.
Boss,
Sabi
Ate.
niya.
Mm-mm.
Alright,
Go,
back to you,
katigbak.
Alam
Miss
ka nung
Vicky.
kakanta.
Papatalo pa ba to si sa Ate Vicky?
Totoo, hindi mo kapatalo yan.
Papatalo ba yan? Parang
Talo-talo
hindi
na
mo.
ako eh. Lagi ako
Besh you up,
talo.
let's go, besh you up.
Mag-I surrender yan. I surrender, Miss DK.
Oh, mag-i surrender yan.
Ayoko.
Kayang-kaya
Ay,
niya yan.
I-surrender mo,
surrender.
Beshi. Pag hindi ka mag-i-surrender, mag-invite ka na lang.
I surrender na yan.
Ang dami na text mo.
Wala ko naman po.
Thank you, baby Ta.
This song is brought to you by Red Horse Beer. Masarap pag maraming yelo. The Playboy. talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. Thank you. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's who destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules the gods may throw at us. The princess called the stars, and someone way down here lost someone there. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? Don't tell me that she kiss like I used to kiss you. Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide the likes to me about spectators of the show. The winner takes it all. The game is on again. Love for all a friend, a big thing or a small. The winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad, and I understand. You come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. See me so tense, no self-confidence, but you see, the winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. So the winner takes it all. you so much.
At tayo ay matutulog na ng payapa. Oo, grabe naman talaga.
Good night po. Good night,
Para
everyone.
tayong hinel eh.
Good night.
Nakakaantok.
The
way nagkape tuloy.
takes it all.
Ano nakatawa mga
Kape na
matanda,
tayo,
diba?
kape na tayo kasi
Kape tayo, kape nga ni.
tulog na tayo ni Miss
Uy,
DK.
nga pala, itanungin muna natin si Russell kung okay pa ba siyang kasama natin sa Team PK kasi di ba may pasok pa yata siya bukas.
Wala naman. Okay.
Bata pa to, ayan. Kasi baka mamaya mapuyat.
Yes,
ka eh.
yes, yes.
Ayun.
Ayan.
Guys, huwag niyo kalimutan i-follow si
Yes,
Russell.
thank you
Sa
so
mga
much.
Pekmalo ng Bicol
Thank you so
Live
much kay
TV.
Russell. Yeah.
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you,
Parang gusto ko na rin matulog.
you're gonna be the love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. We were just too young to know we fell and love and let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feelings die. I know how much I need you now. Tonight is turning back somehow. As soon as our heart and soul unite, I know for sure we'll get this feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. We never leave alone, and then we might have never known all the time we spent apart. All we did was break each other's heart. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna be the love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. This time we'll change all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. We are starting over again. Ayun. Thank you so much. Oh, yun naman daw, ano, how do you heal a broken heart? Requested
go.
by Q.
Hi, Chan. Thank you sa pag-tap.
Yun ang pangalan niya. Q, no? Q, no?
Or,
Cute o Q?
Q. Q. C-U-E.
Meron din dito pangalan, Cutie, no?
Alright.
Ay, galing naman yun. Pampatulog na tayo, pampatulog na ba?
Tulog na kayo,
True.
guys.
Ang sarap makinig,
Diretso
no? Ang
natin.
sarap makinig, no?
Hello,
Naki-speaker
chat.
ako dito, eh.
Oo.
I can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Oh no, I the girl I thought I knew. The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Oh no. Does anybody ever know? How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, and I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Thank you, Jade. Thank you so much, Jade. And where you ever want, you seem I was a fool. Oh no, who fell in love with his own dreams. And now you say you want to live, start a new life today. Those words I thought you never said. Everybody, how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, and I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to, and wait and put it all behind me, and wake and find out I have found you love in my soul, and find out I know how to let you go. You go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, and I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to, and wake and put it all behind me. And I know how to live. with you. Oh.
Grabe naman talaga yung Russell na yan. May ganyan kayo. Sa amin lang yan, si Russell. Ilang class?
Ayan.
Kailan talaga yun.
Galing naman. Alam mo, maswerte tayo kasi kasama din si Russell.
True, true.
Bilang isang, nakaka-flattered na medyo meron tayong kasamang
Beshi, flattered.
Proud na lang, proud.
Ako kasi Florida ko lang alam ko. Yung wala tayo mag-English nga niya. Hindi ka Yatay ka. Hindi ka nga nag-school.
Kanina ka ng
Hindi man ako
moment
nag-graduation.
Kanina ka ng moment, Bino. Kanina ka pa.
Ay, sige. Ano sabi mo kay Russell?
Thank you so much.
Go.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Pinag-usapan ka nga namin, Russell, kahapon nung nakamulti. Buti umano sa atin si Russell na sabi ko nakakahiya minsan din kasi pag isa sa mga pet.
Oh, hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Pero
Pero kahapon talaga parang
hindi ganun si Russell. Napaka-humble niyan tao. Napaka-humble niyan tao.
Ayan,
Ako nga, bago lang ako sa
ni
video, pero-
Bulbuli. Ayan yung si Chichu.
Oo,
Si
loading-loading
Bulbuli. Yun ang pangalan
talaga,
niya,
no?
Bulbuli.
Ang galing.
Bulbuli nga ni Manggol.
Ang galing talaga.
Ay, bulbuli.
Ay,
Follow kita, bulbuli.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Miss DK. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Miss DK, na sabi sa akin, sino ba yun si Lizelle? Sabi ko ganyan. Sus, si Bulbuli pala yun. Sabi ko, ay, si Bulbuli pala yun.
Hindi ko nga mabigkas
artist
bikas
na
yung
yan,
bulbuli na yun.
nagtatawag ng tanghalan niya. Totoo, si Russell.
Okay.
Ilang taon ka na ba po,
Alam mo ba nung
Russell?
sumali ako sa...
23 po.
Ay, 23, batang-bata.
Diba?
Magka-23
24.
Ilang
na.
ka dito sa Pinas?
24 ako.
Russell.
Ang ako isang taon.
Bulacan
Ayun,
po,
24.
Bulacan.
Ay, Bulacan? Saan sa Bulacan?
Santa
May echo
Maria.
ko. Santa Maria.
Sa tabi niya, Bulacan. Nakapunta na ako dyan.
Tara na, punta na kayo
Kami
dito,
naman may bahay
guys.
sa San Rafael,
Kita-kita
Bulacan. Pero
tayo.
dito ako sa Cabanatuan.
Kita
Oy,
mo
masarap
tayo,
din
guys.
kaya Russell na kunyari may mga event ako, nagpapapicture ako eh. Yung kahit na magmukha akong tanga. Siyempre, kumbaga, idol sa Bigo Live, di ba? Kaya itong nakita kami ng mga idol ko sa Bigo Live, picture, ganun. Yung iba kasi, hiyahay, bakit may hiya ka? Di ba? Kung idol mo naman talaga, di ba? Para kahit pa paano may gallery ka sa Facebook mo o may inggit yung kapitbahay.
Meron kang Bino, may remember. Meron kang remember.
Remember? Oo. Yung kumatanong si Renz
Remember.
Durano. Remember?
Remember mo yun.
I remember. Ate ka bang din naman. Pero masarap yung ganun. Ikaw, Russell, madami kang mga picture nun nung nagkita-kita kayo sa Music Fest. O wala?
Sakto lang po.
Sakto lang. Sino yung mga
Medyo
doon yung
mahihain si
close mo?
Russell.
Yung parang mababait talaga.
Hindi siya kasing kapal na mukha mo, Bino.
Oh, yun nga. Ako kasi ang dami ko natawa ako sa may remember. Totoo, remember.
Remember me.
May remember ka na, di ba?
Oo, pero napalaban ka na
Dahil
sa
dyan, si Ate Mel.
napalaban ka na ba, Russell, sa sa
Tawag na
face-to-face
tangalan.
na mga... Oo. Napalaban ka na.
Saan po?
Di mo napanood yung ano niya? Tawag
May
na
tawag na
tangalan
tanghalan
niya.
siya, Ate Mayan. Ate Mayan.
Nagtawag na tanghalan po ako.
Okay.
Tapos
Ako
nag-GMA
tawag
din po ako,
ng
tanghalan ng
Tawag
kampiyon.
ng CR.
Tawag ng tanggalan. tawag lang kami ng
Ano
tanggalan.
yung ano? Kaya nga alam mo ba, nung sumali ako nung contest, nung nakita ko si Russell, tapos kalaban ko, parang parang natakot na akong ano. Parang ayoko na lumaban, parang magbaback out na sana ako nun eh.
Sabihin mo, Miss
Ang
DK.
bait niya.
Ay, wala na. Pwedeng mag-ano?
Napaka-humble.
Pwedeng mag-back out na lang.
Napaka-humble na
Miss
bata.
DK, natawa ako
Eh,
sa may
parang humble
remember.
siya.
Oh, di ba, Manny?
Napaka-humble na bata to.
Tignan mo nung time na ano.
Ano siya,
Oo.
Baby Kaya.
Humble nga yun. Ganyan dapat yung mga ano, no, mga sinusuport talaga yung mga humble. Hindi yung iba kasi dito, mga pag kunyari, pag sikat, mga
masuplado na sa personal.
Tignan mo
Ano
naman
naman siya,
Bigo Boys Music Fest 2024. Ang dami kong picture ng mga idol ko.
Oh.
Sana all.
Nandyan ka din ba? Nandyan ka.
Sana.
Grabe, ano?
Oo,
Collection.
dami
Meron
talaga
siyang
promise.
dino. Pag may dino ka na, ibig sabihin, sumasali ka sa ganyan.
Sumali kasi gano'n na ng Miss
Kami,
Bigo.
ano pa?
Miss Bigo
Wala pa
2020.
tayong
Sa susunod pa kami. Kailangan kami.
Dinosaur pa lang tayo.
Dino kami. Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Bibili akong dinosaur.
Oo.
Bibigay
Yan,
yan.
dahil dyan
Nagkano
sa
ka ba din
Ateneo
sa,
na po.
sa
Kami, Bolbol.
Bigo, ano? Bigo, yung yearly? Yung yearly
Bigo
end?
Gala.
Oo,
Gala?
Sumali ka? Sumama ka? Hindi.
Kumanta rin po ako.
Gala ba yun o gala? Di ba gala yun?
Pag mayaman ka, gala. Pag mahirap ka, gala. It's depend how to pronounce yun. Spelling.
Wow.
Because, you know, how you pronounce
The correct
the
pronunciation.
mahirap. If you're mayaman, gala. If you're mahirap, gala. Kaya, gala.
Do you call that Bino subject-verb agreement? That's what you call that. Yeah.
Utang ka
It's a
pa ni
figure of
Dino.
speech.
Tol.
Tama.
Tol.
Tama. Ulo lang
I
muna.
love you.
Dahil dyan sa Ateneo na, hawak. Yung kantang-kantang sa
Sige, sabi na
Ateneo.
naman ni Dito, may BPM kita demonyo ko.
Ang inis ko talaga.
Ay, di na.
Kantang-kanta na daw si Ate Mayan.
Ang dami na nating ano.
Ano
8
na?
minutes na naman ho ang nasira sa buhay. Si Ate Mayan na
Diba?
go, Ate Mayan.
Baka malis na yung mga viewers natin. Game. Yan. Dahil
Alright,
dyan,
game na tayo.
Ay,
Sabi
bibigay
na po
yan.
Sabi ni
natin yan.
sabi ni Bulbul. Oh, sige na. Sabi namin yung daldal.
Si Bulbuli, oh.
Sabi ni Bulbul.
Si Bulbuli. Gigil
Joke
hindi ko siya matawag na bulbul
Hindi
eh.
yun hindi yun.
So talaga, listen. Listen
Bakit
lang
ba siya
ang tawag ko
tinawag na
dyan. Ayoko
bulbuli
siyang
nga?
tawagin na ganun.
Mabulbul.
Ayoko niya kabibig.
Uy, sorry na Russell. Sorry po sa mga nanonood kay Russell. I love you all.
Oo, ganito lang kami, makulit lang kami ha sa mga manonood diyan ni
Nagchat si Russell. Kuya
Ay,
Bino,
sama-
pasensya na pero last na ano ko muna sa inyo sabi. Charot lang. Sige natin may Diyos ko, 5 minutes na naman ho ang nasira. Go na.
Gabi-gabi tayo mag-ano.
Ate Russell.
Oh, tuwing gabi kami.
Ano yan,
10
Russell?
o'clock hanggang 12.
Ano yun, Russell?
Yan. So,
Ano yun,
Gabi
Russell?
Sige, sukin na natin
tayo
Ay,
sila.
sabi.
Mag-PK.
nagtitim PK.
Oo,
Yan.
gabi-gabi,
Nakaschedule na yan.
Alas.
Yan.
Kaya nga kanina
Thank
sabi
you.
namin, may day off ba tayo, Miss DK? May day off ba tayo ng Team PK? So, wala, day off, wala.
Pumunta kasi ako sa live ni Russell. Dumaan ako. Lagi akong dumadaan niya pag nakikita ko siya naka-live. Sabi niya, DK, invite mo ako. Sige ba? Nawala yung antok ko. Inaantok ako kanina nung sinabi ni Russell, invite mo ako DK. Nawala yung antok ko, di ba? Nabuhay ako. Natulog sana ako.
Kaya nga,
Kasi, siyempre,
Guys, sa mga-
isa lang
sa
naman
mga
kasi yung
manonood dyan
ganyan.
sa mga manonood ni Russell dyan, ano
Idol
nyo
ko
po
talaga
kami,
to.
follow nyo po kami kasi mga Lodi din namin yan sila,
Yes.
mga Lodi.
Yan parang
Sige na,
guys,
Ate Mayan, dumaandar na
Ate
yung
Mayan,
15
Miss
minutes.
DK. Game. Ang humamot. Miss
Yan.
D.
Ang humamon
Miss
sa ikatlong
Mayan.
kalahok ay kamag-anak ni Pacquiao ng General Santos City.
Mayan.
Kay Pacquiao na.
We had the right love at the wrong time. Yes, I always knew inside I wouldn't have for you a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores. And if they calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter, said. But somewhere down the road, I know that parts of yours will come to see that you belong.
Ang bilis namang umihi niya.
With me.
Paano mo ginawang ihi na
Tapos
yun?
na, Pio, nakanta ko na.
Pinaktak ko kagad.
Sometimes goodbye are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. tapak ng tuna. More than you think I can. You have to go on your own, so you can find your way back home. But somewhere down the road, a rose not gonna grow again. It doesn't really understand. But somewhere down the road, I know that parts of yours will come to see that you belong with me. It's just a way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe it only just begun. Maybe it lessons yet to go on. Somewhere down the road, a road's hard gonna cross again. It doesn't really understand. But somewhere down the road, I know that parts of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Alright, thank you so
Ayan ang
much.
nakuha mong score ngayong gabi ay
Ano pong masasabi niyo,
5
Judge
star.
number 1?
Bali sa na-remember ng aking my mind, nakanta niya naman ang Matiwasay. Subalit databuan.
Yun.
Katigbak ko, katigbak.
Yan. Yun ang mga tawagin katigbak.
Ina-allergy ako, kahirap nang may allergy no giatay.
Malapit ka na matigbak.
Yun nga.
Cover speech.
Grabe talaga yung
galing.
Cover yes. Cover yes. Try ko lang to pero parang
Cover
hindi ko
your
siya
ex.
alam.
Parang gusto ko na I surrender.
O mag-i-surrender ka naman, Beshi. Alisin mo na yung bebe.
Akala ko hindi na
Mag-i-surrender ka naman, bebe.
darating ang panahon.
Bebe. Ayaw mo na
Naliliwanag
Tagalog? Surrender
ang
gusto ko,
daan
ate.
nasisilayan ko. Isip ko
Oo,
na.
yan. Gusto
Sige
ko
na,
yan.
sige na,
Gusto ko
sige na.
yung kantang yan.
Ha?
Sige na, go.
Bigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon.
Diba?
Kung mababago ang landas na tatahakin ko, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ng puso ko. Sa bawat sandaling kasama kita, binigyan mo ng buhay ay ang aking mundo. Dumadaan ang araw, di mo na malaya na ubusan ka ng oras. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw na ikaw lang ang kasama? Kulang na kulang ang panahon, di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw? Hindi ko napansin, unti-unti nawawala ang kaba sa aking dibdib. Bawat minutong nakapiling kita, umatapang ako ng dahil sa'yo. Dumadaan ang araw, di mo na malaya na ubusan ka ng oras. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw na ikaw lang ang kasama? Kulang na kulang panahon, isa pang araw. Sa pagsikat ng araw, ikaw ang laging hanap. Sa pagpalit ng buwan, sana ikaw pa rin ang tangat. Kulang na kulang ang panahon, di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw? Ayoko na, ulit ka to. Yan, okay na, back to you.
Mataas na yun doon.
Maganda talaga
Ang
I
taas na
surrender.
doon.
Oh, mag-I surrender ka na nga.
Last
Sige
song.
na, dali na.
Last song ko yun. Try. Surrender.
Pinali pa siya
Sige,
talaga.
sige, sige.
Ay,
Ah,
Is
pinali
to be my
pala
last
yun.
song?
pinali pa pala
Ang
nga.
pinali pala I surrender.
May pang ganun pa si Beshi.
Hirap nun eh. Pwede bang gusto ko na bumitaw?
cheesy young burger, matched with your favorite
Gusto
sides.
ko ng bumitaw.
Yun na nga, ito na nga. Amen. And the last song.
Oh, chill, chill. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and that's so long ago. I will wonder where they gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. I know. And every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. When they get to the part when it's breaking the heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday's one.
Ay, Padet. Jean.
Looking back on how it was the years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love, some that I would sing to them, and a memorized each word. Those old melodies still sound good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Bukating back. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. All the best memories come back clearly to me. Some can kneel and make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday's once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. And every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. just like before. It's yesterday's once more. Ayaw. Thank you so much.
Very good children. Ay,
Very good, children. Hoy, ang ganda ng background mo, Beshi Wap. Ang ganda, parang nagbe-blurred yung pinakalikod mo. Ganda. Parang nagbe-blurred. Ang ganda.
Sequence kasi yan, sequence.
Sequence spell.
Tela siya naman sequence. Sequence. S-E-Q-U-I-N-S. Sequence.
O, si Russell na. 5 minutes na naman
Yes.
masira sa ano natin. So, Russell.
Thank you so much. Magiging suki na natin si Russell every night.
True.
Please stay tuned every day at 9 p.m. to 12. The Team PK with Dino, Russell, and Tumian. Special participation of Russell from What Family yan?
I don't need you to love me. I don't need you to love. I've got my sister. I can feel her now. She may not be here, but she's still my home. She still love me. Tulog na kayo, guys. Got my children, I can hold them now. They may not be here, but they're still my home. I still love them. Got my house and still keep the cold out. Got my chair when my body can hold out. Got my hands doing good like they're supposed to. Showing my heart to the folks that are close to. Got my eyes to the don't see us pop now. They see more about how things really are. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Gotta hold my head up. Gotta put my shoulders back and look you straight in the eye. I'm gonna flirt with somebody when they walk by. I'm gonna sing, yeah, sing out. I believe I have inside of me every day that I need to be the bountiful life and all the love, all life would be upstairs as tall as the tallest tree. And I'm thankful for every day that I'm given. There's no easy and hard ones I'm live by. The most of us
At ang nanalo sa tawag na tanghalan, walang iba kundi si Russell Pambulacan.
Ay, thank you po.
At ating contender for tonight, si Ate Mayan. Go, Mary Ann.
Napaisip sa Timean, parang... Timean, nakamute ka. Nakamute si Timean.
Di na kaya yun. Grabe yun.
Ano mo na lang ng ano? Ang... Hawak ko ang beat. Hawak ko ang gabi.
Hawak
ko ang beat. Sayo na yun. Hawak ko ang beat.
Sumayaw na lang.
Sayo na lang yan. Parang di na kaya
Let's give it
yun.
up for Ate Mayan.
Alright.
We have
Ang humamon.
Tayo ay...
ang humamaw.
Ate Mayan.
Ay
Ang
Pacquiao.
nagmamahal ng tuloy.
Tayo ay hindi nahahamon kasi
Bukas
baka
at
sabihin
magpakailanman. Ate
baka
Mayan.
sasabihin natin.
Nagmamahal.
Bato-bato sa langit, tamaan ang atip mo. Bato-bato sa langit, ang atip mo ang tatamaan.
Ayun na lang.
Totoy Bibo na lang Ate Mayan.
Nakansela natin ng Totoy
Oh, ang
Bibo.
galing. Galing ko sumayaw. Galing ko gumalaw.
Kuya Jun,
Ale, nasa langit na ba ako?
Alala sa langit na ba?
Alright.
Yan, okay
Alright,
na.
ayan na.
tayo.
Okay na?
Bilis ang oras.
Still alright.
Tapos
May
tayo.
commercial na commercial.
Thank you Lord for this wonderful day.
Alan, I surrender ba yan?
Hindi, si Miss DK ang titira nung I surrender.
Siya na daw kakanta na I surrender. Ay, hindi pala I surrender.
I was confused. You put my mind, the song my soul. You brought it back for me and held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, my John. You needed me, and I can't believe it's you. I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there. And I'll never live why should I live? I'd be a fool, 'cause I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when it was cold, when I was so lost. You took me home. You gave me hope when I was at the end, and turned my life back into truth again. You even called me friend. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me. needed me. You needed me. Oh, you needed me. You needed me.
Ah,
Wow.
Grabe. You needed me daw.
Nantok ako. Hindi ako nantok din.
Kailangan niya ako, kailangan.
Kinantok tayo, guys.
Nagtimpla.
Okay, taka na I
Kaya
surrender
nagkape
para
ako.
gumising ka. Let's go.
Oo, sige. Ay, surrender na.
Guys, surrender na siya, guys, for last song. Last song na ba to?
Lasang na to.
Maglalasang na ba tayo?
Go,
Oo,
go, go.
11:38 na. Ay, surrender na.
Ayun na,
Surrender.
let's give it up for I Surrender.
There's so much life I'd love to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find a will to stand for every dream, forsake the solid ground, and give up the things we were did. Of what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. 'Cause I'd surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too, but make it true. 1,000 dreams I still believe, and make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Baka batuhin ako dito. I know I can't survive another night to with you. You're the reason I go on, and now I need to live the truth right now. There's no better time. From this fear I will break free, and I'll live again with love. And no, they can't take that away from me. And they will see, hey, to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too, but make it true. 1,000 dreams I still believe, I make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Over nights getting longer, and this fire's burning, baby. I swallow my pride, and I'll be alive. Did you hear my call? I surrender all. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too, but make it true. 1,000 dreams I still believe, I'll make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Right here, right now, I give my life to Oh, stop it.
Ang galing-galing ni Ate DK.
Galing kaya eh. Ito lang.
Right?
Maganda yung pagka naka-speaker na malaki. Pwede yun. Ito. Ito tayo.
Oo,
Pero pag
maganda,
ganito,
maganda talaga
sasatay
yan. Pero pag ganitong oras, hindi siya kagandahan kantahin yung ganun kasi
Oo nga eh.
wala na.
Patay na kita.
Sasabi na,
Totoo.
bato sa langit, ang tamaan, ang ating.
Kanina madaling araw, nagluluto ako, no? Dahil nagutom ako, yung kapitbahay kumakanta. Sabi ko, ganun pala ako kaingay pag kumakanta. Nakakahiya pala ko. Napagkakapela. Oo. Oy, si Russell, pinuyot na talaga natin. Pero usually, Russell, anong oras ka talaga live?
Ganito talagang oras, hanggang 12 din.
Ay,
8 to 12.
Okay.
7 to 12.
Kaya.
Kasi nakakahiya, baka mamaya
Oo.
di ba minsan yung pakiramdam na
Oo
siyempre
nga.
nahihiya din na, oy, babay na muna kasi antok na ako, anong oras no, ganun. Yan, at least.
Tapos di siya,
Last song
mahiya
na
siya
ba yun?
mag-talk.
Last song na.
Bulbali.
Nawala
Mahiya
yung
siyang
antok ko.
magbabay. Mahiya siyang magbabay
Oo.
tapos sa ano.
Wala yung antok ko.
True.
Nabibirit ako ni
Pero,
Bino eh.
pero thank you,
Mamaya
Ras,
babay
sa pag-PPK mo sa amin.
Yeah.
Oh.
True.
Yeah. Everyday,
Okay.
i-invite ko si Russell ha.
Manonood ako sa ano. Di ba, Idol Bino, i-upload mo yun sa YouTube. Kukopyahin ko yun.
Yung,
Mag-upload ka sa YouTube, ah.
true. Ito i-upload ko to para buong magmula kanina hanggang ano natin to. I-upload natin to para
Oh.
meron tayong kasama si Russell. Kasi yung kahapon,
Oh.
iniwan tayo na Ate Mayan.
Thank you.
Sorry naman, sorry. Buti na lang, di nagluloko
Thank you
yung...
sa lahat ha. Thank you sa lahat ng viewers.
Oo, I'm so sorry
Thank you
talaga
so
kasi
much.
nagluloko talaga yung internet. Buti na lang, yung internet lang nagluloko, hindi yung tao.
Aray. May wala na, may
20,
nagano
hello.
na.
May hugot yun eh.
Okay, kanta na tayo na
Dahil
kung
dyan,
wala kayo.
let's give it up for Marvin Macazias in the
Uy,
house.
sino yun? Uy, mag-alas 12 na, oh. Magbumulti na ulit ako. Magkano, papaoras naman ako. Kapon, nagmulti ako hanggang alas 3 yata. 3:30 yata, ganun.
Oo, kasi may live house ka, di ba? May live house ka.
Wali. Nagpapaoras talaga ako, tig madaling araw. Sayang din kasi. Kaysa nakatungang, o di magmulti. Kasama ang mga kaibigang, mga kaibigang
Kasi
oso.
panggabi ka eh.
Natapos na ang lahat. Nandito
Uy.
pa rin ako. Aray. Hetong nakatulala sa mundo. Sa mundo. Hindi mo maiisip. Hindi mo makikita. Mga pangarap ko para sa'yo. Para sa'yo.
Chelsea. Hi, Chelsea.
Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Ayun na, may pagan ba si Bulbul, oh? Sa buhay ko. Dariyan ka pa ba? Hindi ka naman tanaw. Kung merong madaraan ng pasulong, pasulong. Inaantok na si Kadigbak ko. Alas 5 kasi gigising na yun. Kawawa. Sundan mo ang pag-ibig na lulang ng aking pinagtatanto. Sundan mo ang pag-ibig ko. Visitor 2207. Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Sa buhay ko. Thank you. Ayun si Russell, no? Hi, visitor 2207-824. Eh, daming visitor. Wait lang, magbumulti na tayo. Relax lang.
Ano bang last song ko?
Last song kantay mo Russell, Get Here.
Ayun na, Get
Ay,
Here,
hindi
oh.
ko alam yun, ate.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya knows.
Oh, hindi,
Hindi ko pala alam.
yung Get Hair, maganda yung Get Hair na yan, pero parang
Ate MJ.
hirap aralin ng kanta. Oo. Parang hirap aralin.
Alright.
Tsaka dapat pag kinanta mo yan,
Oo,
dapat
hirap.
mayabang ka, no? Mayabang yung boses mo.
You can reach me by trailway.
Okay, for my last
You
song
can
ko.
reach a night,
Russell.
then
Yeah, thank you so much sa lahat po ng
I
nanonood
can't
ng aming
believe
picture.
when I heard him yesterday. I had to come and get it straight from you. They say you were leaving, someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it, tell me about the plans we're making. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on? When all that I believe before is gone. I'm too much for crying, didn't come to break down. This is a dream of mine, is coming to an end. And how can I blame you when I build my world around? I hope that one day we'll be so much more than friends. And I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh, even now it's more than I can take. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without
Best friends.
I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for drama. And now the children has come true. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I believe in for is gone?
Thank you so much, everyone.
Ay,
Thank
SS
you
tayo,
so
Russell, para may
much.
kasama kami sa ano, nag-SS kasi kami para kahit pa paano,
Ay, go, go.
meron tayong remembrance.
Go, go. Go.
Remember.
Well, thank you so much, remember. 1, 2, 3, smile. At sama, 1, 2, 3, smile. O, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayun, thank you, Russell. Ate
Dapat-
Mianen.
Thank you
Dapat
so much,
pala,
pa.
Ako lang
Thank you so
Ako lang yung
much.
naiba.
Oh, isa pa.
Idol.
Good night.
Ako lang yung naiba kasi ganyan kayo. Ako
No.
Okay, okay. 1,
Kasi
2, 3, go.
Dito.
Ayun, thank you so much, Russell. God bless you
Thank
more
you
and
so
more. At
much.
sa mga,
Thank you,
mga
Russell.
kasama
Thank
natin,
you,
maraming
Bino
salamat. See
Maraming
you
salamat
tomorrow.
po.
Ah, sige na.
Go, go,
Bye
go.
everyone.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much, Baby Russell, Ate
Good
Mayan,
night.
and Miss DK. At sa mga nasa
Bye-bye.
kabilang booth. Sa
Thank you so
kanila
much.
mga ano.
Subscribe
Thank you so
niyo po
much,
ang
guys.
YouTube ni Bino.
Bye everyone.
Thank you so much.
Ayan,
Bye.
i-disconnect na
Bye,
rin, ano.
Russell.
Bye na. Ayun na nga, ni. Anong gagawin? Wait lang. Mag-ano ako. Maglalasong tayo, Nani. I just wanna thank to get it started. Ano pa magaton? Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know.
Sa all-in-one Maggie Magic
Anong
Sarap,
gagawin,
gawing
Bulbuli?
magical ang anumang sabaw.
50. Ba't parang 50, ano pa lang, di ano kung tagal yata ng cast ng ano ko ngayon ng ano ko ng, o baka hindi ito naka-music, yun lang. Masaklap pag ganun. Thank you so much. Here we go. I walk across an empty lane. I knew the pathway like the back on my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting all in that it's somewhere to rely on. So tell me when you gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and it's somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and that it's somewhere to rely on. So tell me when you gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and it's it's summer to begin. And if you haven't beat it, why don't we go? Talk about a summer lonely winter. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go? Summer only winter. Anong gagawin? Hindi. How simple pain, where have you gone? I'm getting old and that it's summer to begin. So tell me when you gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and it's summer to begin. If you haven't beat it, why don't we go? Talk about it, summer only we know. This could be the end of everything. And so why don't we go? So why don't we go now? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Anong gagawin? At tayo ay mag-multi na nga ni. Ayun. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful day. Anong nga ni? Summer only we know. Sinisipon ako, gyatay. Ang lamig kasi, tas mainit, no? Anong gagawin? Cute ng dino, kita na sila tatlo. Totoo. Cute na. Pati nung ilong ko, gyatay. Tapos meron ako ditong pailaw. Kasi nga lang, low batin. Sinacharge ang matagal. Ay, mabilis. Babo na. Misty King! At tayo ay mag, ano na, cutie. Wait lang. Babo!
Given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you.
Bluetooth disconnected.